first part of Hyundai Santa Cruz production is called press shop. Now employees clean and inspect the molded parts of the car. Robotic hands now weld the extruded parts into the frame of the new car. The car body is now moved to the sliding line, where workers clean and inspect the car body. The Hyundai Santa Cruz is a compact pickup truck, so now a fifth door are attached. The paint is applied to the car body in several layers. The underlying first layer takes place, as you can see, in the colored bath where the whole car is immersed. Again, even after paint bath, quality control takes place. The final layer is applied by these special robotic hands. I have speed up the whole process for you. The price for the basic models is around 27,000 US dollars. And now, as you can see, quality control again. These footages are from Hyundai Motor Manufacturing in Montgomery, Alabama. This facility employs 3,000 people. This part is called final assembly. All elements in the car are gradually attached and assembled one by one. The Hyundai Santa Cruz is a four-door compact pickup truck produced since June 2021. Meanwhile, in another Hyundai factory, the engine is mounted on a chassis. The Santa Cruz is the first four-door pickup truck sold by Hyundai in the North American market. The vehicle is based on the Tucson crossover SUV and uses a unibody chassis design as opposed to the leather frame used by most pickup trucks. The chassis will now be attached to the body. This connection is called marriage in car production. One of the most anticipated models of the summer is the new Hyundai Santa Cruz, a utility vehicle that takes the form of a pickup truck. It took the automaker about 6 years to take the model from concept to production, but here we are. Industry analysts expected the Santa Cruz to attract car or crossover buyers instead of people who have owned a larger traditional pickup truck. It offers the same base engine as the Tucson, a 2.5-liter inline-4, and also the turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-4 that's available in the Santa Fe. In 2021, more than 10,000 cars were sold in the United States and over 1,000 in Canada. The addition of the Santa Cruz means there are now 5 models being assembled at the facility. The others are the Sonata and Elantra sedans, as well as the Santa Fe and Tucson SUVs. Hyundai had to expand to prepare for production of the Santa Cruz, and the company says it will now be able to better adjust production to the demand. The last part of the Hyundai Santa Cruz production process, before sending it to the customers, is a test drive. Driving characteristics are tested on a special track. This car factory has capacity for 400,000 vehicles and 700,000 engines per year.